Okay, we're going to start by clicking on templates. We're going to go for large cascade. And I'm going to click on greens, go for eucalyptus naked. And then I'm going to go over to the right where it says make a copy. And I'll make a few of those and put them in. Like so. If you go down to the corner, you can turn them and put them in wherever you'd like them. You can also go over here to the right where it says flip it, and then you can put it in. Okay, now we have those. We're going to do some winter berries. We'll go up top here where it says color, and we're going to click on the red. And then we'll scroll back up and do some Bavaria. Now we're going to go for an amaryllis. I'm going to do one of those right in the center. You'll see it's behind some other stems. We're going to go over here to the right, click on the bring forward, click again. There, and that brings it forward for us. I also want some ammonium. I'm going to go over, click on the right, and we're going to duplicate it. We'll go to the right again. We're going to click on the arrow that says forward. Sometimes you have to click more than once. That's how far forward you want them. Now we're going to go up to the color chart and we're going to click on white. I'm going to click on roses, a white rose. I'm going to bring this up and we're going to come over here again. It says make copy and we're going to duplicate that. And we'll place them in around. Again, it's behind, so we're going to go over and click the arrow, the up arrow, bring it forward. Now I went over to fillers, clicked on Stephanotis. We're going to make copies of that one. We're just going to place them around. They're a filler. It pops the colors out, and we're going to go up top here. It says new arrangement, and we're going to name it. Okay, and we're done. Click on save.